Hi, Beam. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very well. Just woke up.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to do this session with you. And especially, I want to mention that on this vacation, you are still working. मुझे पता है मैं सुबह भी एक I kept a story. Like we should be thankful to you people that you don't do you all are working in the vacations. That's why we are able to enjoy the vacations. Thank you so much for this.
It's part of the job. I'm most humbled. It's part of the job.
Yeah, yeah. I would start the session with you, like how your journey has been, like how you came into this industry, and how, like, if you can share the story of being a pilot.
So, unlike a lot of people, this
Yeah.
is all I ever wanted to do. I wanted to be a pilot, and I have
Oh,
worked
basically childhood dream.
childhood dream. I am living my
Okay.
dream. It doesn't
Yeah.
get better than that.
Yeah.
But I I started my aviation career with Jet Airways, but
Okay.
I joined as an air hostess. Um, and I used to fly mostly the international sectors, flying the 340s earlier than the 330s
Yeah.
and 777s, also the 737 sometimes. And that was one of the ways to basically make money to start my career as a pilot because I don't come from a very rich family or anything
Yeah.
that I could have, my parents financing my aviation career.
Yeah.
So I had to look for other ways to make sure that I get the money. I did take some loans, obviously,
Yeah.
because nobody can earn that kind of money that quickly. Uh,
Exactly.
but that's how I started my aviation career. Then, after a few years, I left
Yeah.
flying as an air hostess and went to the US to do my CPL
Okay.
and finished my CPL, came back
Huh.
home, uh, gave all the DGCA exams, which is basically the exam,
Huh.
whichever country you fly in. When you come to your own native country, you
Huh.
have to convert your license from the host country's license to your own country's license.
Yeah.
In my case,
Yeah.
it was converting my American license to the
Indian
Indian
license.
DGCA
Yeah.
license. That took some time, and that is one thing that not a very good thing that happened is when Kingfisher shut down. So
Oh.
basically, all the jobs in the industry that I was hoping to get um,
Yeah.
were suddenly just gone. And I didn't get a job for 8 years after I finished my
My
CPL.
goodness.
After I had my license for 8 years, I didn't get a job. When then the boom came again in
Yeah.
from 2017 onwards, the boom came,
Yeah.
and in 2018, I joined GoAir, and as they say, rest is history. So
You
that's
know,
that's how I started.
आजकल मैं जब भी सेशन करता हूँ, a lot of people are worried what going to happen after the pandemic. क्या मुझे CPL करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. And connecting to that, when you said that I was not having any job for last 8 years, I think because when I do the session with the UPSC people,
Also, I didn't have an aviation job. I had other jobs. I was working, but I didn't work as a pilot.
yeah,
That part I
basically
didn't do.
your dream was to become a pilot, no? Yeah. So when I talk with the UPSC people, they also say like I was trying for 6 years, 7 years to get crack this exam, and you said you were not not getting a job as a pilot for 8 years. I think
Yes.
that's where patience lies. How will you construct this?
See, what I think is you have to keep the goal in mind. You
Huh.
have to keep the goal in mind. What is your final agenda? Do you want to continue?
Yeah.
Because I know a lot of people. I have a lot of friends who flew with me in the US, did the CPL, but
Hmm.
the patience to hang around to keep your license updated. Now, in our case,
Yeah.
the license expires after a certain point.
Okay.
Um, we have to keep our medicals up to date. Every single year, we have to go through the medicals. Even if you have a job, you don't have a job.
Okay.
You have to go through those medicals to keep your license
मतलब हर
updated.
साल होता है ये लाइसेंस
हर
अपडेट आप
साल.
लोगों की?
अब
अच्छा.
मेडिकल के बिना लाइसेंस नहीं है. इट इज एज
Okay.
सिंपल एज दैट. अगर आप मेडिकली फिट नहीं हो तो आपका लाइसेंस नहीं है.
What does this medical fitness defines in your case? Like आप लोगों के प्रोफेशन में क्या basically
सब
they
कुछ,
like mention?
फ्रॉम ब्लड टेस्ट टू आईज टू ईयर्स. आप जो भी आप किसी हॉस्पिटल में जाओ एंड यू गो एंड गेट लाइक अ जनरल जो टेस्ट होते हैं,
हाँ.
जब आप वो कराओ, सो everybody wants to make sure कि जो पायलट आपका जहाज फ्लाई कर रहा है वो मेडिकली
Yeah.
फिट है. उसमें
Exactly.
you don't have any heart troubles, you don't have any kind of, and
हाँ.
weight is such an issue because most of the times actually all the times our medicals are done by Air Force doctors and they are used to seeing very fit people.
Yeah.
Civil pilots, on the other
Yeah.
hand, sometimes are not as fit. So I
Yeah.
remember मुझे कहते थे go lose 10 kilos before the next medical.
But
So
you lost a lot of weight.
I did thanks to
Yeah.
the pandemic and झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन in the house.
हाँ.
Yes, a very expensive pilot. But घर की
Okay.
मुर्गी दाल बराबर, किसी को कोई
Yeah.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता. घर गंदा है, झाड़ू पोछा लगाओ.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's how it is.
Yeah. Definitely. So, I want to ask you, like, if somebody tells you what are the best three thing about your profession?
Best three things. I get to see the world.
Yeah.
As you wrote, Globetrotter.
So I see it's actually right in a way.
It is. Okay, ठीक है कि
Yeah.
हम Airbus से 320 फ्लाई करते हैं जिसकी रेंज इतनी ज्यादा नहीं है that you can fly more than 6-7 hours. But 6-7 hours इंडिया के आसपास बहुत सारी जगह है. The Middle East is there, Southeast Asia is there. So you do get to see the world. You get to travel a lot. Sometimes it's like, why am I traveling so much? Like, for instance, I am not at home right now and I am elsewhere. So another thing, I think the money. Why not? I mean, I know a lot of people shy away from it, but the money is so good. It is really good. It helps you achieve other things in life. आप जो भी कुछ करना चाहते हैं, you can do that. You get to take your family out on vacations. You get tickets and you get to fly your family where, my parents, वो तो बहुत excited हो जाते हैं कि अरे कैप्टन हमारी बेटी है. Like, okay, शांत ठीक है, कैप्टन
So
काम
आपने कभी उन लोगों को फ्लाई किया, मतलब when you were flying their boat?
हाँ जी. I have.
How was your feeling?
I just wanted to make sure. मैंने उन्हें बोला था प्लीज किसी को कुछ मत बताना. Please, शांति से बैठो, मैं छोड़ आऊंगी wherever you need to go. I have flown my parents, I have flown my husband. So yes, I have flown my family around.
Yeah.
That's a wonderful thing.
Yeah, I think I was traveling from Delhi to, I think some other place, I forgot it, 5-6 years back. So there was an old lady, like she might be around 60-70 years old. Okay. So she was sitting beside me and all of a sudden when you all do announcement before flying, so she was like, beta pata hai aaj jo fly kar rahi hai wo meri beti hai. And she was so happy.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, she was so happy. Like I feel that glory in that lady. Like kitna usko acha lag raha hai uski beti aaj fly kar rahi hai. So I hope that feeling was done by your parents too.
It was. By the way, Veem, I would like to tell you a very good friend of mine has also joined the chat.
Okay.
He works with the air traffic controllers in Mumbai. Hi, Ravinder.
What's his name, by the way?
He is Vectors_Mumbai.
Okay. Oh, basically he works in ATC.
He is ATC.
Okay.
He is an air traffic controller.
Their job is, very challenging job because I have a friend who is doing So she was telling one day that कभी कभी होता है you can't go to the washroom even. Like that's challenging.
It is. And
Yeah.
मैं कभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि we fly one aircraft.
Hmm.
We are two people inside the cockpit, and
Hmm.
whatever
Ah,
happens, we are there to take care of it.
hmm.
But and as an air traffic controller,
Yeah.
they handle 20, 30, 50 aircrafts,
Exactly.
and they are our biggest help. They are our biggest help.
Yeah.
We would not be able to do anything without
Without
their
them.
help. So
Yeah. That's a
shout out to Vectors underscore Mumbai.
yeah, it's a pleasure, and we really helpful to them. So I want to ask you is like as you said that मैंने पहले क्योंकि my finance was not so strong, I used to work as an a cabin crew. So I love to know because मुझे personally feel होता है we all love to talk about our achievements, but somewhere down the lane we don't love to talk about the failures. And I think we should do it ताकि जो आज जिंदगी से मतलब tough time जा रहे हैं उनको पता लगे हाँ he or she also gone through the same phase and where she is right now. So how will you describe it? What are the failures? Because you have seen a lots of ups and downs and how you overcome those situations.
Vim, when I converted my license, मैं वापस आई
Yeah.
सब कुछ मैंने अपनी तरफ से सब कुछ ठीक किया, but
Hmm.
things just weren't working. I mean,
Okay.
there were no jobs, and आप सोच नहीं सकते the amount of heartbreak.
Yeah.
मैं इतना इमोशनल हो जाती थी कि if I would travel in an aircraft, going from place A to place B, I would
Hmm.
start just becoming so emotional that I am not living my dream. I'm sitting at home doing another job, or
Yeah.
मैं कुछ भी और कर रही हूँ. But अगर focus नहीं होता and the right
Uh,
people guiding me, I would
yeah.
have still remained that. So I think that failure made me come out
What
very,
do you?
very strong, very, very strong. Aviation as a whole is very competitive, not just military aviation, but including
Yeah.
civil aviation. You want to do well, and you want to be ahead of rest of the lot, rest of your batch, anything.
Yeah.
So that push कि
It's very.
मैंने सो एंड सो से बेटर करना है, वो पुश कभी नहीं होता अगर मैंने पहले फेलियर नहीं देखा होता. एंड फेलियर वाज कि 8 साल, 8 years is a very long time.
That's so.
Almost a decade of waiting, just waiting. But I think all's well that ends well, huh?
The way you were smiling when you were telling it, there's a different glory on your face. So I want to
It's
say,
makeup. It's
अभी
okay. It's makeup.
ये एक चीज बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे आपका यू आर वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड कट टू द फीस विच इज जो आजकल बहुत कम मिलता है ये चीजें
It's the
एंड
lighting.
नहीं तो हाउ डज इट फील नाउ जब आप पीछे मुड़ के देखते हो इतना कुछ किया मैं एक टाइम सोचता था आई विल बी फ्लाइंग दिस प्लेन या आई विल बी डूइंग सच थिंग एंड लाइक आज लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं पीपल से यू आर एन आइडल अभी कैसा लगता है
यार आइडल वाइडल तो पता नहीं, बट अपनी अचीवमेंट में मुझे सबसे ज्यादा खुशी होती है दैट माय पेरेंट्स आर वेरी प्राउड
या
कि ठीक है, आई वाज डूइंग अ वेरी गुड जॉब. ऐसा नहीं है कि
या
बिफोर आई वाज वर्किंग एज अ पायलट आई डिडंट हैव अ गुड जॉब. मेरी बहुत अच्छी नौकरी थी, एंड यू नो
व्हाट डू यू यूज्ड
इट
टू
वाज
डू
अ ट्रैवल. I was a consultant. I was a consultant. I have been in advertising. I've done it all. So
माय गुड
I had a very good job, very well paying job.
या
But hearts of
सुकून
hearts,
नहीं थी
no. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब you
हाँ
know my parents are so happy. My parents are just so proud कि I've done something and I've achieved what I wanted to. जो मैं करना चाहती थी, hell or high fire, I did it.
yeah
So
yeah
that's something I'm very happy about. Hmm.
and I pray to God that you get more power and you keep going your good work.
Fingers crossed, fingers crossed.
Yeah, in that everybody is worried right now and everybody is asking that अभी क्या होने वाला है CPL करके आगे क्या क्या होने वाला है. A lot of youth are worried about this thing due to the pandemic.
Yeah, it's the sad reality. It's a
Yeah,
very, very sad reality कि जो मेरे साथ 8 साल पहले हुआ था when Kingfisher closed,
yeah,
it's sort of the same thing that happened last year when Jet Airways closed.
exactly.
And we had a lot of very highly trained
Yeah.
with captains with a lot of experience who came into the market.
Yeah.
Then this year, the pandemic hit. I mean, it's the worst time. But अगर आपने CPL कर लिया है, then just give me 1 second. I'll just give me 1 second. I'll just come back.
Yeah. Done. Not an issue. Okay. और क्या क्या सवाल है यार, पूछ लो, मैं पूछ लेता हूँ मैम को. कौन कौन ज्वाइन किया? शुभम चौहान. Yeah, done.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. It was
It's
my
okay,
laundry.
It's
I had to
okay,
collect
it's okay.
my laundry.
It's fine. So we were talking about the situations that's gonna come,
Yeah.
coming days.
See, जिन्होंने CPL कर लिया है, I would suggest कि have patience. Have patience because the industry is not going to improve for the next 2 to 3 years at least.
Huh.
At least. Because abhi bhi, there are so many pilots who have experience and who still haven't joined airlines. Secondly, nobody is expanding. I mean, they might say whatever they want to say, but expansion is going to be very, very slow. 2017, 18, be it Indigo, be it AirAsia, be it Vistara, be it my airline, everybody saw tremendous expansion, which is not going to be the case. I mean, airlines work on passenger load and cargo load. Where is that? Yes. From when I came back from the pandemic and I started flying, what the passenger load was at that time has definitely gone up tremendously. But the pandemic is not over. People are not traveling. I mean, अगर आपको जरूरत नहीं है ट्रैवल करने की,
तो आप ट्रैवल नहीं कर रहे हो.
तो ट्रैवल नहीं कर रहे हैं लोग. हाँ, कुछ सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ पे लोग परेशान होने के बाद कि 6-8 महीने से हम घर पे बैठे हैं, they're going on छुट्टी. गोवा फॉर इंस्टेंस, राइट? लोग एक विला लेते हैं, फ्लैट लेते हैं एंड वहां जाके 2 महीने बैठ जाओ, क्योंकि अगर घर से ही काम करना है तो अपने घर से करो या किराए के घर से बीच फ्रंट विला से करो, वो डजंट मैटर. बट यू हैव टू हैव पेशेंस. आई मीन, उसका और कोई इलाज नहीं है. एंड अगर आप फ्लाइंग के लिए नहीं गए हैं, देन आई वुड से कि आप फ्लाइंग की प्रिपरेशन करें. दैट मीन्स आप अपना क्लास 2 मेडिकल करें, देन क्लास 1 मेडिकल करें, डीजीसी के एग्जाम्स दें, क्योंकि डीजीसी के एग्जाम्स इजीली टेक a year and a half, 2 years, maybe more. डीजीसी के एग्जाम्स 5 साल तक एक्सपायर नहीं करते हैं. सो आप उस बीच अपनी फ्लाइंग कर सकते हैं. एंड क्योंकि फ्लाइंग आवर्स एक्सपायर करते हैं 6 मंथ के बाद, आपको जो कंसेक्यूटिव फर्स्ट आवर था दैट एक्सपायर्स. सो आप ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि हर 6 महीने में आप करते रहेंगे फ्लाइंग. आई मीन, nobody has that kind of money and patience, to be very honest, कि मेरा 200 nautical mile cross country एक्सपायर कर गया है, let me just go do a 200 nautical mile cross country. That
Yeah.
takes a lot of money. So I would suggest that go finish your exams. Make sure you have your navigation, your meteorology, your radio aids,
Hmm.
every paper done, your medical valid, and then go for flying. Because ऐसा नहीं है कि एविएशन में
One
सिर्फ
night
बैड
game.
टाइम आता है. हाँ,
Yeah.
हाइज एंड लोज हर इंडस्ट्री में होते हैं.
Exactly.
ठीक है, एविएशन बहुत ज्यादा वॉलेटाइल है, तो
Huh.
द अमाउंट ऑफ हाइज एंड लोज बहुत धीरे होते हैं हमारे.
Huh.
एक बार हाई आया तो उसके बाद लो चलता है पिछले अगले 5 साल तक. बट रिगार्डिंग डीजीसीए एग्जाम्स, अगर आपको क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी है, मोस्ट ऑफ
Hmm.
द बिग सिटीज, बी इट दिल्ली,
Hmm.
बॉम्बे,
Hmm.
चेन्नई, बैंगलोर, मोस्ट ऑफ द बिग सिटीज हैव ट्यूशंस. सो आपका
Yeah.
एक बेस बन जाता है. एंड ट्यूशंस ज्वाइन करने से पहले आप नोट्स लीजिए. मैंने नोट्स बाकियों के, जिन्होंने ट्यूशन ज्वाइन किए थे, मैंने उनके नोट्स से
Huh.
पढ़ाई करी थी. सो
अच्छा.
बिकॉज दीज ट्यूशंस आल्सो वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. आई थिंक मेरे टाइम पे तो इट यूज्ड टू बी 50,000 रुपीज फॉर वन सब्जेक्ट.
My
नाउ इट्स गॉन
goodness.
अप टू 1
तो
lakh.
अभी तो बहुत 1 crore.
Yes, 1 lakh,
Sorry, 1
1
lakh.
lakh.
1 lakh.
सो
My
आप
God.
आपको वो 2-3 महीने की क्लासेस देंगे, बट अच्छा होता है कि आप पहले से ही थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर करें, थोड़ा सा बेस वर्क बनाएं, एंड देन इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर फ्लाइंग, यू
Hmm.
गो फॉर फ्लाइंग.
Hmm.
बट
Yeah.
आप डीजीसी एग्जाम्स, सो दैट आपकी वो परेशानी तो खत्म हुई ना कि ओ मुझे वापस
Hmm.
आके मेरे फ्लाइंग आवर्स खत्म हो रहे हैं या वट एवर इट
Huh.
इज. मुझे उस चीज की टेंशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो
Yeah.
that's the one. That's the only
Yeah.
suggestion I can give. And जो CPL करके आ चुके हैं, I would suggest not to do type rating right now, because
Yeah.
type
Okay.
ratings also come with an expiry. So आपको 737 का करना है, 320 का करना है, Embraer का करना है, जो भी आपको type rating करने हैं, they come with an expiry. And if you don't get a job within that time, जब तक
Yeah.
आपका type rating valid है, प्रॉब्लम
Huh.
ये होती है कि आपने CPL में whatever 50-60 लाख रुपए लगाए हैं, एंड देन
Huh.
टाइप रेटिंग में अनदर 15-20 लाख रुपए लगाए हैं. आप बस पैसे खर्च कर रहे हो, रिटर्न्स में आपको
Basically,
कुछ
you are
नहीं आ
spending
रहा.
1 crore.
यस,
Thereabout.
वेरी क्लोज टू दैट.
काफी
तो
काफी ज्यादा महंगा है.
ओह, टेल मी अबाउट इट. जिनको लोन्स चुकाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि
हाँ.
बैंक्स डोंट केयर कि आपकी नौकरी
No.
लगी है
हाँ.
या नहीं लगी है.
हाँ.
बैंक्स वांट देयर मनी बैक. तो
Yeah.
Ravinder's
And
asking, what was the turning point when you decided to go for CPL?
yeah.
Um, I think after class 12th, I wanted to go for my CPL. But
Huh.
my parents, मेरे घर पे education is a very, very, very
Strict.
important and very strict thing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
without graduation, कुछ नहीं होना. So
So
finish your
you did
graduation.
graduation in what?
I'm in English honors.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा.
I'm in English honors, and
काफी शेक्सपियर पढ़े होंगे आप तो फिर.
oh my God,
Novels then.
Shakespeare, Bronte, oh, so many
Yeah.
of them.
Yeah.
And then obviously वापस आके I did my post graduation. Otherwise, आजकल ग्रेजुएट को भी नौकरी नहीं मिलती यार. You have to have higher education. So
Yeah. You know,
yeah.
one question that I was going to ask you, I missed it. That is, what are the process you all go just before flying? Like, a few, मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पता है कि weather checking and all. What more you all go? If you can
Yeah,
just brief.
virtually everything, right?
Yeah.
For example, fuel calculation is a big thing for us.
Okay. Yeah.
You don't want to divert just because you're low on fuel because you didn't plan ahead.
Yeah.
आपको हर चीज के लिए you have to plan ahead.
Yeah.
We have to check कि weather is a very very important thing, by the way. Not just कि
Yeah.
मैंने A से टेक ऑफ किया एंड B में लैंड करना है. मुझे en route भी देखना पड़ता है कि in case in between something happens and I have to divert.
Yeah.
It could be God forbid, a medical emergency, for example. Uh,
Yeah.
if you have to divert, where will you
Hmm.
go? How will you make an approach? Are
Yeah.
you familiar with that airport or not? Again, weather plays key. What kind of visibility? What kind of runway do I have? Uh,
Yeah.
will I get any kind of support there, be it medical or any kind of a thing?
Hmm.
So weather is a main thing, and what we call as NOTAMs, which is notice to airmen. What that
Okay.
means is in case of some closure, something out of the ordinary. कि normally हम so and so runway पे land करते हैं. For example,
Hmm.
last year when
Hmm.
SpiceJet had skid off the runway in
Yeah.
Mumbai, so we knew runway 27 was out of service,
Hmm.
and we had to either land on runway 3. Mumbai has two runways, they crisscross each other like this.
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
so we had to land on the different runway, and
Yeah.
that what is the approach for that? Am I prepared? And secondly, in aviation, I think एक सेक्टर है जहाँ आपकी पढ़ाई कभी बंद नहीं होती. अगर आप ये सोचो कि you know okay मेरी नौकरी लग गई,
Hmm.
I am done.
मैनेज कर लूंगा. वो
Never.
मैनेज नहीं होता.
Never. This is one field जहां
हाँ.
आपकी पढ़ाई कभी नहीं खत्म होती. आई एम श्योर देयर आर अदर फील्ड्स.
Yeah.
मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि अरे हम ही हैं, हम चीते हैं, नहीं. बट
हाँ.
दिस इज वन फील्ड, आपकी पढ़ाई
Hmm.
कभी नहीं खत्म होती. देयर इज ऑलवेज समथिंग न्यू. चाहे आपकी कंपनी
Hmm.
पॉलिसी हो, चाहे एयरपोर्ट पॉलिसी हो, चाहे डीजीसी का कोई सर्कुलर आया हो, तो यू हैव टू बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर गेम every day, every single
Exactly.
sector.
Exactly.
ऐसा नहीं है कि ओ मेरा सुबह बड़ा हेक्टिक गया है एंड शाम को
हाँ.
आई कैन
हाँ.
रिलैक्स.
हाँ.
नो नो, आपका जैसा सुबह गया है शाम को भी प्रॉब्लली वैसा ही जाएगा. सो
हाँ.
whatever problems you have, you leave it
Yeah.
at the cockpit door before entering. You don't take your
Exactly.
problems with you into the cockpit. So
And as you
yeah,
said, the
that's
way, yeah, as you said, the way things are getting so competitive, so you have to be also at the top of the layer. Then only you can succeed in this jungle.
oh, absolutely. Like, okay, जब मैंने CPL किया था,
हाँ.
तब
Hmm.
being a CPL holder would get you a job. मतलब,
Hmm.
not जब I finished, maybe couple of years before that.
Yeah.
Just being a
Yeah.
CPL holder would get you a job.
Okay.
Now it's not the case. Until unless आप किसी एयरलाइन का कैडेट प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करते हैं,
Hmm.
जब एयरलाइंस को ऑलरेडी ट्रेन्ड ऑन द एयरक्राफ्ट पायलट्स मिल रहे हैं, बी एट
हाँ.
320, बी एट 737, जब उनको
Hmm.
ऑलरेडी ट्रेन्ड पायलट्स मिल रहे हैं, व्हाई वुड दे गो फॉर सीपीएल होल्डर्स? इट्स जस्ट, आई मीन, monetarily it doesn't make sense because to train
Yeah.
me, मेरी ट्रेनिंग 6-8 महीने की होती है, so they have to invest that time in me before
Yeah.
I come online and become a pilot. I mean, a line pilot. पायलट तो हम सीपीएल करके पायलट हो जाते हैं, मतलब कप्तान तो हम बचपन से ही हो जाते हैं, बट सो अगर आपने जस्ट सीपीएल किया है तो आपकी
Hmm.
ट्रेनिंग टाइम और बढ़ जाती है. सो इट्स नॉट
Exactly.
lucrative फॉर द कंपनी, वट एवर कंपनी यू वांट टू जॉइन द एयरलाइन.
Hmm.
इट्स नॉट lucrative फॉर द एयरलाइन कि वो आप पे और 6-8 महीने लगाएं.
Hmm.
सो आजकल की डेट में type rating is like, it's as good as having a CPL. If you don't have type rating, then it's even more difficult to get a job. So higher
Yeah.
studies.
Thank you for sharing so much of knowledge. I won't take much of your time because you all flying throughout the day today. And
I was.
yeah. So this is my last question I want to ask you. We all are going through this social media era. So there's a lot of good about social media. Like from social media today, I came to know about you. So on social media, we are doing this session. But there's something also plays that social media hatred. कुछ लोग आजकल किसी को नहीं जानते, उठपटांग कुछ भेज दिया या negative thoughts. And I think कभी आपको चीजें ऐसा चीज personally affect करता है, और if it happens with you, how you overcome that?
नहीं यार, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ये
Yeah.
बहुत ही फ्रूगल चीजें लगती है मुझे कि
अच्छा,
सी अगर आपका कोई फ्रेंड कोई फैमिली मेंबर आपसे कुछ कहता
या,
है पर्सनल कि यू नो इन माय केस लूज वेट तो आप उस चीज को सीरियसली लेते हैं बट आपको कोई नहीं जानता है एंड दे ओनली नो यू थ्रू योर सोशल मीडिया आई मीन दे डोंट नो
या,
यू पर्सनली
या,
मैं पर्सनली जैसी हूँ आई डू you know on my Instagram page I am a bit
या,
open but not as
या.
much because
But I feel
it's
you are very strict through your page.
you feel
या,
like that right
मैं तो
now
तब
also.
तब आपको फोन में भी बताया था कि मुझे तो लगा बड़े स्ट्रिक्ट इंसान होगा, फोन उठा के बोलेगा हाँ बोलो क्या चाहिए. फिर तो लाइक व्हेन वी वर टॉकिंग मैंने कहा अरे ये तो अलग ही इंसान है.
I know, right? It's a
हाँ,
different persona.
या,
But social media is, I think, a blessing. I mean,
हाँ,
I don't think हम इतने लोगों से जितनों से हम मिलते हैं
हाँ,
जिनसे हम जिन्हें हम फॉलो करते हैं जिन
या,
we like to know about them.
हाँ,
अगर वो होता नहीं होता सोशल मीडिया we wouldn't know such people.
या,
अगर यार कितनी इंफॉर्मेशन है you ask one question and there are 10 people who will be out there to help you. Yes, there will be
या,
five other who will be
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
you know making your life miserable, but
या,
most of the people will be nice to you. It's
या,
nice.
या,
um
या. Yeah. So,
so
there's one thing I want to ask you. Like, I'm just increasing this live session. So, how was your first experience when you like entered into the cockpit as a pilot? The first day experience.
when I was learning how to fly,
No, 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 no. As after becoming a pilot, like as
like
a
when I
commercial
joined the
pilot.
airline,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I was scared. Oh my
Okay.
God, I was so scared. So,
Huh.
before we come into line flying, we have to do
Okay.
observation flights for,
Hmm.
few sectors. We have to do observation. What that means is we sit in the third seat in the cockpit
Okay.
and
Acha.
observe how actual line flying happens.
Going.
कि
Yeah.
क्लियरेंसेस कैसे लेते हैं, एडीसी से कैसे
Huh.
बात करते हैं, रूट्स कैसे डालते हैं.
Huh.
एंड मैं तो ब्लैंक थी. मैं फर्स्ट फ्लाइट ब्लैंक थी. मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा था. मैं बस यही सोच रही थी कि ये मतलब इनके 10 हाथ हैं क्या, ये इतनी सारी चीजें एक साथ कर कैसे रहे हैं.
Huh.
मतलब इट
Huh.
वाज एक्चुअली स्कैरी.
Huh.
But by the time I was finished with my observation, I was like, अरे अरे
Yeah.
ये तो बच्चों का खेल है यार कर लेंगे. So,
Huh.
but the first time, and I was just in awe. Like,
Huh.
मतलब मैं fan हो रखी थी. The first time I flew with the captain and the first officer,
Huh.
who were there to train me. मैं तो
अच्छा,
fan हो
मैं
रखी थी
बीच में
कि
इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ. अब कभी ऐसा हुआ कि यू आर फ्लाइंग एंड देयर समबडी इन द थर्ड सीट जो आपसे
yes,
सीख रहा है अभी,
yes,
तो उसको
yes,
आपने क्या
yes.
पूछा?
Actually, most of the time,
हाँ,
99.9% of the time, we just want to make sure that जैसे मैं थी, right, and
हाँ,
how my
हाँ,
first officers and my captains treated me. मैं
हाँ,
कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं वही एम्यूलेट करूँ क्योंकि आप चाहते
हाँ.
हो कि वो बंदा कंफर्टेबल हो कॉकपिट में.
Yeah,
वो अगर
yeah,
ट्रेनिंग टाइम पे कंफर्टेबल नहीं है वो एज अ लाइन पायलट भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं होगा. सो मोर देन आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस आप उन्हें
हाँ,
बताते हो कि
yeah,
यू नो ये ऐसे करना चाहिए. ओके, बुक
हाँ,
सेज दिस बट हाउ टू फॉलो द बुक बिकॉज
हाँ,
as a pilot we follow procedures. I mean, we
yeah,
follow checklist, we follow procedures. matlab there is no two ways about it, but how
yeah,
to go about it, how to follow those things. क्योंकि वो कहते हैं ना इंग्लिश में एक saying है ना,
हाँ,
मेथड टू द मैडनेस. तो
yeah, true.
जो पंजाबी में एक saying है ना, तरीका इस्तेमाल, कि आपको
हाँ,
तरीका इस्तेमाल कैसे करना है वो
हाँ,
सिखाते हैं. आई डोंट थिंक कोई
exactly.
भी बहुत ज्यादा सवाल पूछता है. इट्स मोर ऑफ अ ट्रेनिंग सेशन. आपको सिखाया जाता है कि ओके आपने ग्राउंड
Observation.
स्कूल में ये किया, सिमुलेटर्स में ये किया, यू आर
हाँ,
फुली ट्रेन्ड, बट
हाँ,
एक्चुअल लाइन फ्लाइंग में क्या करते हैं, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कि अब रोज तो लाइक वी आर ट्रेन फॉर द वर्स्ट
हाँ,
सिचुएशन. लाइक
yeah,
जो सब खराब हो सकता है वो आपकी
हाँ,
फ्लाइट जब हमारी ट्रेनिंग चल रही होती है,
हम्म,
दैट्स व्हाट वी आर
हम्म,
ट्रेन फॉर. बट नॉर्मल
हाँ
फ्लाइंग इज नॉट लाइक दैट. नॉर्मल फ्लाइंग इज
yeah
आप A to B गए, B to C गए एंड वापस A पे आए. तो
हाँ
वो कैसे करना है, हाउ टू मैनेज योर स्लीप. ओह, दिस वाज द बेस्ट वो ट्रेनिंग जो मुझे दी गई थी कि
हम्म
सोना कैसे है. क्योंकि कभी
अच्छा
हम रात के 3 बजे उठ रहे हैं,
हम्म
कभी हम रात के 3 बजे सोने जा रहे हैं. तो
yeah
आपकी बॉडी क्लॉक की तो आई मीन
बैंड बज जाती है
बैंड बज जाती है. तो अब तो ऐसा हो गया है कि
हाँ
फ्लाइट करके आओ, डजंट मैटर कौन सा टाइम है, दिन में 2 बजे है, हाँ
हाँ
मैं तभी सो जाऊंगी, कोई
सो
टेंशन
जाओ
नहीं है. हाँ हाँ हाँ. अब वो सीखना बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, मतलब जिंदगी में
हाँ
ये इस चीज की अहमियत कि नींद
हाँ
नींद कितनी ज्यादा जरूरी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज मैंने
हम्म
क्वाइट एन अर्ली मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट करी थी, बहुत ही अर्ली मॉर्निंग
ओके
डिपार्चर था. तो कल मैं शाम को 6 बजे से 6 साढ़े 6 सो गई थी.
हाँ
विच इज घर वालों को लगता है कि अरे बाहर धूप है, कहाँ सो रहे हो, बट हम सो सकते
that's
हैं.
how it works
दैट्स हाउ. वो आपका बॉडी क्लॉक नहीं रहता, फिर वो बॉडी कहता है
yeah
ओके जी नींद आ रही है, सो जाओ. सो दैट्स
that
दैट्स
that
समथिंग.
yeah really I'm thankful that you joined the session. It's my pleasure to have you. I have to end
थैंक
this
यू
on this
वीर.
note. Yeah. Please take care of yourself. You all are doing an amazing job. मतलब मैं तो कहता हूँ यार, मतलब thank you is just a word for you
यार हम
people.
एसेंशियल सर्विसेज बोला जाता है, बट वी आर नॉट
हाँ
एसेंशियल सर्विसेज ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. आई थिंक
yeah
the frontline workers, the doctors, the nurses, they're
हाँ
just they're just the actual heroes. They're amazing, and we should
yeah
all be thankful that
hmm.
they're there.
They are
And
there exactly
yeah, yeah.
exactly. So take care, ma'am, and
Thank you so much, Veer.
stay safe.
Thank you everyone for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring.
No,
Bye.
it was definitely not boring. Yeah.
Ciao.
Bye
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 guys. Bye. See ya.
bye.
Bye.